It's been a real exciting pleasure for me to work with Aha Books and to create this book. I've been wanting to write a book for a long time, but I couldn't quite figure out how to put it together. And the direction I got and the guidance and the help and frankly, the nudging to get the next piece done was very helpful. And when I got really stuck, Mitchell Levy came like a knight in shining armor to get me unstuck, to help me clarify my thinking and get the pieces going so that I was actually able to complete the book. So my great appreciation is both to Mitchell Levy and to the wonderful team that he's put together. Jenna Lee is very good at keeping people on track, at least me, and reminding me that this piece is due and here's a link for that and da-da-da-da-da. So if you're thinking of doing a book and you're feeling stuck, I think that you would really enjoy working with Mitchell Levy and with his team at Aha Books.